To install this tonneau cover kit, you're going to want to take the 2 bed rails that come and then put them on each side of the bed. Then you want to take the 3rd rail that has the tarp on it and then line it up against the back glass. And then they connect together by this little screw right here. And then once that's on, you can kind of eyeball it to see where the tarp lines up with each side of the bed rail. Once you get it all lined up, there's 3 metal tabs on each side that are held together by just a screw and then a little nut on the other side. All you need to do is tighten them down to the bottom of the bed rail sides. Once you have all 3 metal tabs installed on each side of it, you can pull back your tonneau cover all the way to see if it lines up properly. You'll know if it fits correctly if these little black tabs fall into place, and then it'll just shut. You might have to pull down this tab to put them in, and then they go down. Then once they're on, you just push the Velcro down on each side, and it'll line up perfectly so you can open and shut your tailgate